In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome background image and color themes. Open Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look toward the lower right area of the New tab page and click on Customize Chrome. This button opens the customization panel, where you can change the visual appearance of your browser. After opening the Customize Chrome panel, select Theme. This section is where you can adjust the overall color style and appearance of Chrome. You will usually see a range of preset theme choices, including different color combinations and visual styles. Click through the available options to preview how each one looks. If your version of Chrome supports background image customization within the same area, you may also see options related to changing the background image for the New tab page. These settings are often grouped alongside the theme controls, since both affect the overall look of Chrome. As you explore, take a moment to choose a style that feels clear and comfortable for everyday use. Brighter colors can make Chrome feel more energetic, while simpler themes may give it a cleaner and more professional appearance. A helpful tip is to choose a theme that keeps text and icons easy to read. Appearance is important, but readability matters just as much when you use your browser every day. Once you have selected the theme you like, Chrome will apply the change so you can immediately see the new look. This makes the process quick and simple, with no extra setup required. That covers everything you need to know.